Is your Audi S3 2014-2019 key fob not working reliably? Replacing the battery yourself is a simple DIY task that saves you significant money compared to dealership prices, typically $5 to $10 versus 100 plus. This video provides a clear, step-by-step guide. You'll only need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The Audi S3 key fob for 2014-2019 models consists of two main parts: the metal key blade and the plastic remote housing. The plastic remote housing contains the electronics and battery compartment. It uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery to power all functions. This battery powers remote locking and unlocking, the panic button, and trunk release functions. Understanding this two-part design is essential for smooth battery replacement. Remember the key blade slot on the side, as you'll use it to separate the halves during disassembly. Gather these essential items for the battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, making sure to choose a quality brand to avoid corrosion issues. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool will help open the fob, with the plastic option being gentler on the surface. Optionally, a key blade removal tool can be useful but isn't strictly necessary. You can find CR2032 batteries at most local pharmacies, electronics stores, or online retailers. First, locate the key blade slot on the side of the key fob. This is where the metal key blade emerges from the plastic housing. Next, carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the key blade slot. Make sure it's positioned securely, but don't force it yet. Now, gently twist the screwdriver or pry tool to separate the two halves of the key fob. Apply steady pressure, but avoid rushing this step. Finally, avoid applying excessive force during this process to prevent damage to the plastic housing. This step can be a little tough, so be slow and apply just enough pressure to separate the halves. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the correct orientation with the positive side facing up. Ensure the new CR2032 battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up for reliable contact. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring proper alignment. Make sure you don't touch any other components to avoid damage. Carefully reassemble the two halves of the key fob, pressing them together until they snap securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons for lock, unlock, and trunk release. You should hear a beep or see the indicator light up. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is closed completely. If your key fob malfunctions after battery replacement, the first thing to check is battery alignment. Make sure the positive side faces up and it's seated properly. Avoid forcing the fob open, as this can crack the housing. Use gentle pressure and the correct tools to prevent damage. Be mindful of electrostatic discharge by working in a dry environment. ESD can damage the fob's electronics, so avoid static buildup. Finally, dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should not be thrown in regular trash. Consider eco-friendly, longer-lasting lithium-ion battery alternatives if available. These batteries offer extended life and are better for the environment. Store your key fob in a cool, dry place to prolong battery life. Avoid humidity and extreme temperatures. As technology evolves, expect future Audi fobs to incorporate rechargeable batteries and app connectivity. Keep your eye out for updates as the technology evolves rapidly.